You might be losing customers, you don't even know why. Not because your product is bad or because your price is too high, because of the small things that you do that even your mind may not be at. So in this video today, I'm going to be discussing 7 things you are probably still doing and customers totally hate. Stay with me. Welcome to this workshop. I am Debbie Cox. If you have not yet subscribed, please kindly do. Thousands of people like this workshop, they like this channel, you've been benefiting a lot from it. For you also to be a beneficiary, please tap the subscribe button and make sure you are part of the family. Subscription is totally free. Straight up to 7 things that you're probably doing that customers still hate. Number 1 is slow response time. When a customer sends a message and you reply hours later, maybe 5 hours later or 10 hours later, or maybe even 1 hour later or 30 minutes later, it speaks bad about your business. Some even reply a day after. At this point, they've already bought from someone else, or they've completely lost interest from buying from you. Speed in sales is a major factor in business. Like speed in responding to customers, in making sales and booking slots, it's a major factor in business. To beat your competitors or to beat other people, one of the things you must put in place is your reply time. Your reply has to be fast. If you can't reply instantly, you can simply just leave a message or acknowledge the message. You can say something like, "I've seen your message, I will get back to you shortly." That way, the customer knows that this person has seen my message, they will get back to me. Instead of leaving the customer on the fence, he or she does not know whether you've seen the message or whether you have the product or something. That way, you're going to lose customer. That takes us to the second things you are doing that customers do not like. It is cold and dry response. Cold and dry replies. Cold replies are such a turn off. I don't know if it works like that for you. For me, if you reply me in a cold way or if I sense coldness in your replies, it's a big turn off for me. Cold reply is a big turn off for almost everybody, especially potential customers or buyers. A customer asks you, "How much is this?" You simply just reply 5k. Just like that. No addition, nothing. That isn't a conversation. That is a big turn off. Learn to add life to your replies. For instance, if a customer asks you, "How much is this?" instead of just saying 5k, you can say, "This is 5k. Would you like me to reserve one for you?" You can even add something like, "When are you coming, sir?" or "When are you coming, ma?" With just these additional replies, you've secured a customer. You've secured a purchase. This way, you will also know a customer that is coming or a customer that is not coming, because you already asked them, "Should I reserve one for you? When will I be expecting you?" But customers that are interested in your product or interested in your service, they will definitely tell you that, "Reserve one for me. I'll be coming to pick it up maybe by 2 p.m. or something," or "How do I order?" That kind of stuff. You already secured the purchase. You know if the customer is actually serious about buying or they are just asking to know. Another thing is, when you give life to your replies, you also boost the interest of customers in buying from you. You boost their interest in purchasing a product from your company. In short, be human in your replies. The third one is bad attitude. Bad attitude or acting like a customer is disturbing you. Many businesses are guilty of this. They act like customers are disturbing them, especially when you reach out to them either via text or via calls. They give you short answers, they give a rude tone with zero effort. Now, we all need to know this. Customers are not begging you, they are choosing you. The same way they chose you, they can actually choose someone else. We are going to be talking about favors. If anybody is offering favor, it should be the customer offering you favor, because there are many people selling that exact thing that you are selling. So be active, be lively and grateful whenever a customer reaches out to you. The fourth one is lack of clear information. This one gives headache a lot. Somebody reached out to you, maybe they saw your product on your website, maybe you place an ad, maybe on Google or WhatsApp or anything. There is no price, no location, no product details. Customers ask like 10 questions just to purchase one item. You need to know that the easier you make it to buy, the more you sell. The easier you make your product to buy, the more of the product you sell. That takes us to the fifth one, ignoring complaints. Let's say, for instance, after a purchase, a customer laid a major complaint, or maybe he or she is not satisfied with the product, or maybe there is one thing or the other to say. Instead of replying them, you either delay the response or you ignore them totally. You have lost that customer. That's dangerous. One unhappy customer can stop buying from you and even tell other people not to buy from you. Instead of ignoring or delaying response, you can reply them calmly and on time. Remember what I said in the last video, that complaints are opportunities in disguise. If you handle a complaint well, or if you handle an issue well from a customer, you have forever secured the loyalty of that customer. There is another thing that your business is probably doing and customers do not like, is over promising. Now let me say this. It is better to under promise and over deliver than to over promise and under deliver. The customer reached out to you and promised to deliver, let's say in 24 hours. In 72 hours, what you say you will deliver is not yet ready. You say you will deliver today, you are delivering in 2 days' time. That breaks trust immediately. It's better that you under promise and not over deliver. That way you have impressed the customer, you have secured their trust and loyalty. They keep advertising your business even to other people. When you over promise and under deliver, you crush the trust, you crush the spirit of the customer. Many things can happen from there. Lastly, always do follow-ups. Always do follow-ups with customer. When a customer comes to get a product from you, or when they patronize a service that you are rendering, check in to know if they are satisfied or not with the products or with the service. Also, that way you can also ask, is there something else they would like to buy, or is there something else they will want to get from you? If you are not doing any of this yet, don't feel bad. Today is actually a good day to start. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. I will see you in the next one. Best of luck in your business.